Hey there! Welcome back to Learn German Daily, day 4 of our journey. So far, you've learned the alphabet, how to greet people, and how to ask how someone's doing. Today, we're learning something really exciting, how to introduce yourself in German. By the end of this video, you'll be able to say your name, where you're from, where you live, and even what languages you speak, all in German. This is a skill you'll use constantly every time you meet someone new. Let's get started. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this series, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single day. All right, let's dive in. Let's start with the most basic introduction. Repeat after me. Ich bin, meaning I am. You simply add your name after it. For example, ich bin Sarah, meaning I am Sarah. Here's another common way to say it. Mein Name ist, meaning my name is. For example, mein Name ist Sarah, meaning my name is Sarah. Let's repeat both versions together. Ich bin, mein Name ist. Great! Now you have 2 natural ways to introduce your name. Now let's learn how to say where you're from. Repeat after me. Ich komme aus, meaning I come from. For example, ich komme aus Pakistan, meaning I come from Pakistan. Now let's learn how to say where you live. Ich wohne in, meaning I live in. For example, ich wohne in Lahore, meaning I live in Lahore. And finally, let's learn how to talk about languages. Ich spreche, meaning I speak. For example, ich spreche Englisch und ein bisschen Deutsch, meaning I speak English and a little German. Let's repeat all 3 structures together. Ich komme aus, ich wohne in, ich spreche. Excellent! Now you can talk about your origin, your home, and your languages. Let's put everything together into a full self-introduction. I'll say each line, then you repeat it. Hallo, ich bin Sarah, meaning hello, I am Sarah. Ich komme aus Pakistan, meaning I come from Pakistan. Ich wohne in Lahore, meaning I live in Lahore. Ich spreche Englisch und ein bisschen Deutsch, meaning I speak English and a little German. Und wie heißt du? Meaning, and what's your name? See that? You just built a complete introduction all by yourself from just a few simple pieces. That's real progress. And that's a wrap for day 4. Let's recap what you learned today. You now know how to say your name, where you're from, where you live, and what languages you speak, all in German. Tomorrow, on day 5, we're learning German numbers from 1 to 20, an essential building block for everyday conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bis bald! See you soon!